I'm going to go over the hardware quiz homework that was due a few days ago. If you haven't done it, it's a good thing to do as soon as possible. Okay, the longer you wait, the lower the score is going to be. Okay, what you need to do is go to My Lab IT, and we're going to scroll down in the menu on the left side and go to the assignment calendar. And in the assignment calendar, we're going to click on the September 8th. And you can see actually there are two things there. There's the ergonomics quiz and the hardware quiz. Let's do the hardware quiz. I'm just going to click on the name. Okay, and you can see it's past due, but that's okay. And you can see there are 6 questions there and multiple choice. First one is simple. Which of the following is not a basic function of a computer? Well, the basic functions are input, output, process, and store. And delete data. Okay, yes, it can delete data, but that's not a basic function of a computer. So I'm just going to select that one. Click on the next question. The blank can be considered as the brain of a computer. Well, that obviously is the CPU or processor. Get this small little chip that gets very, very hot. RAM or main memory is blank, which means if it stores data temporarily for a short time. Well, that's obviously volatile from the Latin word volare, which means to fly away. It's volatile. Click on next question. And which of the following is not true about USB flash memory drives, otherwise known as thumb drives? Okay, they do use a USB connector. They are sometimes called memory sticks or thumb drives. They are inexpensive. But they're not volatile. The great thing about them is that they're non-volatile. They hold data for a long time. So let's go here. Click on this one here. The tiny dots that make up a picture on a computer screen are called what? Well, bits are the digital binary digits, which are the smallest amount of information you can have. Hertz is basically 1 operation per second. Ports is the connectors, the places where you put in the connectors. And so it's pixels, picture elements, the smallest part of a picture. Devices such as printers, scanners, and projectors are called what? Well, these devices are out on the periphery of a computer system, so we call them peripherals. And that's the last button. That's the last question, so I just click on the finish button here. Boom. And I'll click on finish. Okay, and I got all the answers right. If I go through the various questions here, you can see I've got them all right. But because it is late, it's 3 days after it was due, so I only get an 85% here. So hopefully you get them on time. But even if you don't, do them as soon as possible. You don't want a 0. The 0 is going to really hurt your grade, so make sure you get them in as soon as possible so you get the highest grade possible. Okay, good. If you have any questions about these particular questions, let me know. Otherwise, keep on working on the homework and doing a good job.